I'm just putting in lip. So Nance is Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are good and taking good care of yourselves. Welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna be spending some time with you guys. It's gonna be like a homebody type of vlog where I will be just in the house, share with you guys some moments with us. We do have quite a lot of kids apparently because it is festive season, so your girl is up and busy, and I just wanted to share with you guys some moments with us as we spend time together as a family. So please enjoy this vlog with us, okay? I'm just putting in the pork because Mama wanted to cook something for lunch, guys, for lunch, okay? Okay, in the morning, Bendienda cover, guys, ne? But I forgot to do it with you. Not even the morning, a few hours ago. So Nance is saying you're going to Mayam. We oven because it rises quickly with the warmth of the oven. So yeah, I just make the kids some lunch. Not even lunch, son. It's not even past 1 o'clock. So now so making me some noodles, and I'm gonna eat and then just chill a bit. Take down, pick up, and it was just a lot because honestly, let me just be honest with you guys. I decided to vlog not so long ago. Like my mama did vlog, man, you know. Good. but on the sideline.
Fish. Dana, you eat the fish? No, I eat the fish. What? What you cool go to what you was? What?
I'm just chilling in my brother's room and I was sleeping, and yeah, everyone is downstairs and I just needed a break because I woke up super early today and I'm tired, okay? I'm tired, so I don't have anything to do and I'm just gonna chill here until I feel like, you know, I can go down. And the fun thing is that I'm not cooking today. My mom is giving me a break. She's gonna make, she's gonna bake. Do you bake a mapinya? Yeah, wait too. She's gonna make a mapinya. I did do the dough in the morning, so she's gonna be doing that. And I'm gonna be chilling, having a time of my life because I'm tired. Okay. Morning guys, it is a brand new day and I'm in a place now. I just got ready to go home and I just prepared myself because I've been next door there. I think there's a house that's been fixed and stuff like that, so there was a lot of noise, a lot of people outside, so I just felt like, you know what, let me just wake up super early, get bathed, get dressed and leave. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that now, but I need a fix, guys. I feel like, oh mommy, I feel like my life is standing on a hold whenever I don't get a fix, so I need a fix. And if you guys know, my fix is either iced coffee, score, or a Coke. But I think I'm gonna get a Coke and I'm gonna drink that, and I'm gonna start my day. I don't know how far this vlog is gonna go on for, but let's just see, guys. I look so cute. Yeah. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I've been postponing to get my toenails done, and guys, I'm just so lazy. I'm lazy, and I'm also angry about one thing. Hey, my mom, they were like cleaning at home. They were painting and putting in tiles in the rooms because, you know, the rooms were using like a tapete, so they decided to put in tiles there. Go with all that happening, guys, ne? They were just scrambling around cleaning the whole entire rooms, and apparently my driller fell, and they didn't know what it was. And they decided to throw it away. Guys, do you know how much is a driller? Yo, I wasn't really thinking about it. Honestly, I don't want to lie. I wasn't really thinking about it, but I was looking for my shiny white nail polish, not a nail polish, like a nail gel, so that I can put on top of my white nails. Okay, and it would look a little bit more bright and like more Christmassy. But then when I went to go look, I saw these. If you guys know, if you're a nail tech, that you'll know what this is. I saw this, I was like, okay, where is the mother? Why am I saying kids? Where is the real deal? And I started going downstairs to go ask everyone, guys, did you see this long white thing that goes with these? Everyone like, I don't know. So I asked my mom, and my mom was like, you know what, Utama did ask me is all what that machine thing lookalike thing was, and honestly I said I don't know, probably broken, let us throw it away. So she owes me a thriller, guys. She owes me a thriller. But anyway, let me stop yapping.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom from New York to Shell. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like it.
I've been here at home for a few hours now, and I was cleaning because the kids said that they cleaned, but it doesn't look like they cleaned. It doesn't look like they cleaned. I was shouting, and you know how the drill is, you know. So now I'm just chilling. There's not much that's gonna be happening. Basically the same things, same routine, man. So I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm tired. Did not drink more pressure, guys. I need to look after my health. Okay, I need to look after my health. It's very important that I look after my health. This is gonna be the last straw for me. I can't be tired off of just mopping. It makes no sense. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.